Stamina. Another song I was itching to listen to all week. I'm excited to see this one. I didn't think we're getting an Ayra and Tiwa moment so quickly. Like, when I saw this, I was like, absolute yes. Now I'm just realizing that it's actually Tiwa's song. So it's Tiwa featuring everybody. So it kind of makes sense. Tiwa is definitely, yes. So it's, okay, it's all under her. It's under her We for We management and Everything Savage thing. So, yes, this is a song that Tiwa is heading on. And by the way, Tiwa has been on a run. Tiwa has been on a feature run at least. At least maybe just last 2 songs. But Who Is Your Guy? Okay, fantastic. There's a song with Majid called Bese, and bro, it's a beautiful song. And that's another feature that she was on. There was another moment that she had recently that was like, it was so impressive. But anyway, Tiwa is cooking, essentially, is my point. She's out here. And she's seeking out Ayra Starr, who is branded as the new superstar, the new female superstar, at least, for the Nigerian Afropop scene. And it's so wholesome to see them on the record together. And then we have Young Jonn just stud wheeling. I don't know. I would love to get a nice Ayra and Tiwa moment, but look, Young Jonn is in the mix. Now I'm not hating on Young Jonn though. I'm teasing, but Young Jonn definitely a fantastic artist right now because he has since transitioned to being a full-fledged artist, and he has been on a massive run of great records. Just recently we heard Currency with Olamide. That's really exciting. One of my favorite records this year too. But anyway, Stamina. Without further ado, let's hear what they're saying, man. Tiwa Savage, Ayra Starr, and Young Jonn. Let's go. It's a piano thing, okay? Shakers are shaking. Magic
Stamina,
sticks.
stamina. I cannot say you cover me now.
Tiwa is so raunchy. Tiwa is so raunchy, man. Like, yo, everything just... Yeah, Tiwa is super raunchy, and immediately I just went there. Stamina is about, yes, we already know what it is.
So many things I could do to you. If only you give me the permission to.
Applaud say for you. We can no lie on do.
Did this nigga come in by saying applaudisse? Is that what Young Jonn just entered with, bro? And this guy said, oh, dude. Bro, they're going far. Very detailed. I'm here for it. Let's go.
I cannot lie on that because I'm so into you.
Now you take my breath away. I'm a one question show. For me, live to fight another day.
Live to fight another day.
Yo, the back and forth so far. We're only a minute into the song. And we've gotten such a dense minute. Very packed. Very packed in the sense of like how dynamic the song is. Like, nothing has been lazy so far. Everything has just been aggression after. No second has been wasted so far is what I'm saying. It's very dense and, like, fun, okay? It's like, it's giving me life. It's giving me everything from the back and forth that they're having to the shock value lines that they're throwing in there, even to give you the permission to. Come on, man. In the first minute, bro, this song's already sounding like it's done something already. Magic Sticks. Magic Sticks is showing himself. Oh my god, listen. Too much aggression. Everybody should slow down. Everybody should relax. Everybody's just coming hot. Now waiting. Now fights. Hey.
I'm charged up for you, tango for two, sexy kung fu, ready to do everything you like. I'll make your fire ignite.
What? Bro, this song is dense, bro. This song is like a freaking roller. It's too dense. My goodness. That was such a quick Ayra Starr moment, but bro, that was insane. She was like, see cadence, see flow changes and transitions there in the middle, bro.
Give me the permission to show you the thing I carry.
Applaud say for you. We can no lie on do.
Applaud say for you.
Now you take my breath away. I'm a one question show. Live to fight another day.
That was beautiful. Beautiful dance. Magic fucking sticks, bro. I am there. I am there, guys. Come on. Come on. Where can we even begin with this song? Like, action-packed, bro. Literally. Like, what they're talking about has a lot of action in it, you know? And, yeah, this was insane. I was like, line after line, punch after punch, verse after verse. It was intense. It was engaging. It was compelling. Very dynamic, moving and switching flows that really, really excite you again and again and again. Like, this is a fantastic song. And to see now Tiwa and Young Jonn when having the back and forth was very pristine, very nice. We got a very, very short Ayra moment, but what a moment from Ayra, bro. What a moment from Ayra. Like, strong pockets that they were all in. Everybody came correct, bro. Everybody came correct. I'm trying to find something that could have been improved, or like maybe you could make the hook simpler, maybe. But then again, it's enough dynamic flow for you to actually want to lean into the song, to actually want to catch what the song is about. And it has such a nice pocket of giving me permission to, giving me permission and show you the way. Like that, those pockets were like, I guess, simple enough to catch it, but you don't need, like, it's gonna, I feel like this is a song that would move in terms of like how you listen to it, and in terms of catching the song. Like, you learn more of it, more plays, obviously. And I think it's a very engaging and inviting song for you, you know? But anyway, this is a fantastic moment for Ayra, a fantastic moment for Tiwa Savage, because she definitely should be getting a moment, like a true solid Tiwa moment. And don't tell me Loaded was a moment for her, because it wasn't. Even though it's a fantastic record, but it still wasn't a standout moment. And he did numbers, but trust me, he got drowned out in the Ashake moment there. But yeah, I would love to see a real Tiwa moment, and this one is sounding like it. Young Jonn continues to show that he's a whole artist, not half of an artist that used to produce. No. He's a whole artist with the amount of ingenuity and tact that went into this delivery here. Bro, fantastic work from Young Jonn. Yeah, he's very convincing that this should be a full-fledged artist at this point. Fantastic project, fantastic run of singles, and having such a strong synergy here with a goated legend, Tiwa Savage. So yeah, this was fantastic, all of this. But let me see what some of the points that you guys are saying about the song. Femi Victory saying the song is sweet, no slowing down. Somebody said this is a threesome? What? Who talked that kind of thing? Anyway, super tune from Tunde. Chidima says no slowing down. Nana says this will make the end year list for shizzles. Absolutely, I'm holding on to this song. Falari says sexy kung fu. LOL. Tolu says the song is fire. Song is beautiful. Ayra is fire. Young Jonn go old with that kung fu. LOL. LOL. Yeah, because he's referencing kung fu a lot. He does actually reference kung fu a lot. Type of song you discover more on each listen. Exactly what I was trying to say. Yeah, exactly, Babalola. You discover more about the song. You appreciate it more as you're running through it, you know. And it's a fantastic song, man. If everybody just say the song don't deserve poll. LOL. So far the poll is getting it's 100% on the poll, ladies and gentlemen. The song of the night, absolutely. Standout moment from Tiwa Savage, Ayra Starr, and I was about to say Brother Shmurda, Young Jonn. Alright.